Welcome back to the NOS VW channel on this gloomy, wet, horrible day. It's been a real mixed bag this week. We've had rain, frost, fog, everything. But to brighten the day up, here's our first car of the week. It's a C43 AMG Mercedes I have in for MOT work. Really nice car. Look at the brakes on that, look. Look at that, look. Real nice to drive. Almost a bit of a handful really. It's automatic, but you just almost tickle the throttle and you're gone. It's so fast, and it's got Striptronic as well. So yeah, real nice joy to drive that in today. We also have this 1966 sliding door split screen. Very rare van. They only made this from 66 to 67. Basically the predecessor to this sliding door on the bay window. This is like the trial run. So parts for the door can be a nightmare because it's similar to the bay window, but really specific to this van. So it looks the same, but it's not the same. Even the handles look the same as the bay window, but they're not. They're split screen only. This van was in for, sadly I had to get off the ramp for the next vehicle, was in for the middle cross member. So I put a new middle cross member of the chassis because it was totally missing. We've got to do the rear member and put the heater pipes back in at another time. As you can see, it's a really nice van. I'm pretty sure he said it was somewhere from like Malaysia, Thailand it was imported from, something like that. That explains why it's right-hand drive, because most sliding door vans are left-hand drive. So being right-hand drive, very rare option. Pretty cool van. Obviously someone's added the pop top to it. It wouldn't have had that original. It's more than likely like an airport bus or a taxi. That's what most of them are used for. But there we go, another week done. Look out for next week's video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.